Assalamualaikum students, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Students, take out your countdown book 3 and open book page number 117. Today we are doing question number 6 of exercise 3A. Our first question is, complete the following. One has been done for you. As you can see, these are equivalent fraction. First of all, you can see these fractions. 1 by 2. 1 and total are 1, 2. 1 by 2. And as you know, in equivalent fraction, we multiply numerator and denominator with the same numbers. Okay? It may be 2, it may be 3, it may be any number, but with the same number. So 2 ones are, we multiply 1 numerator with 2 and denominator with the same number. 2 multiply 2. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. Here you can see the fraction. Both of these fractions are equal. Okay, now look at part B. As you can see, 1 by 3. So, and here you can see 3 and total are 3, 6 and 9. Okay, total here, total fractional is 3 by 9. So let's see, we multiply it 3 numerator by 3 and denominator by 3. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9. And you can see in this fraction 3, that is numerator, and total are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 3 by 9. Now move to the next part C. Here the fraction is 2 by 3. You can see 2 by 1, 2, 3. So again you can see here how many colored fraction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it means we have to answer here 6. So if we multiply 2 by 3, then we will get the answer 6. So 2 threes are 6 and 3 threes are 9. As I explained you that in equivalent fraction, we multiply numerator and denominator with the same numbers. Okay? And look at this fraction, 1 by 4. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and color portion is 1. So this fraction is 1 by 4. When we multiply it by 3, it became 3 ones are 3. As you can see, the color fraction is 3, which is numerator. So it means we have to multiply it by 3. 3 ones are 3 and 3 fours are 12. Because total boxes here, total division are 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, now part E. 2 ones are, this is 1 by 5. This fraction is 1 by 5. So if we multiply it, because here you can see the color fractions are 2, 1 and 2. So our answer should be 2 here. So obviously if we multiply 1 by 2, then we will get the answer. So 2 ones are 2 and same number we will apply here. 5 twos are 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, now 3 color fractions are 3 and total are 3. 1, 2, 3. So 3 by 3. And here you can see total are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So students, here the total colored portions and the total number of boxes are 9. So 3, we will multiply 3 by 3 to get the answer 9. 3 threes are 9. 3 3s are 9. Students, now we are going to start our exercise 3b. So first of all, I will explain to you addition of fraction that is included in your exercise 3b. So what are addition? As you know, the addition, this is a sign of addition. It's easy to add like fractions. As you know, as I explained you like and unlike fractions, so it's very easy to add like fractions than unlike fractions. As you know that both of these, how we understand that this is like or unlike fraction? Students, if the denominators, both of these are denominators, so if the denominators are same, like 4 and 4, so if the denominators are same, it will be like fraction, and if the denominators are different, it will be a unlike fraction. So as you know that this fraction is 1 and total are 4, 1 by 4, and if we multiply it, this is 2 by 4, 2, and total are 4. So 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 1 is equals 3, and 4 will come as it is. We will not add denominator, we will just add numerators. Okay? To add like fractions, add only the numerators, the denominators remains the same. So to add like fraction, we have to add just the numerators, and denominators will remain same. As you can see in this example, 2 by 5 plus 2 by 5. And the answer is 2 plus 2, 4, and 5 will come as it is, 4 by 5. Okay students, this is subtraction of fraction. Subtraction of like fraction is also very easy. Okay, 5 by 6 minus 2 by 6. Here again this is like fraction because both of the denominators are same, so this is like fraction. And in like fraction we have to just add and subtract the numerators. So 6 will come as it is, and 5 minus 2, 3. 7 by 8 minus 2 by 8. 8 will come as it is, and 7 minus 2, 5. To subtract a fraction from another like fraction, subtract the smaller numerator from the larger one. Smaller numerator from the larger one. We will subtract smaller from the larger number. Okay, and the denominator remains the same as I explained you in the addition of fraction. Okay, both of these, because both of these are like fraction. In like fraction, we will just add and subtract the numerators, the upper number. Okay. Okay students, now open exercise 3b on book page number 121. First question is fill in the blanks. So these are addition of fraction. That is very easy because you can see the denominators are same here again. So it means that this is the like fraction, and in like fractions we have to just add the numerators. So 3 plus 1 is 4, and denominator will remain same. Okay, here 2 minus 1, this is also like fraction. So in like fraction we have to just subtract the numerators. 2 minus 1, 1, 1 by 3. Denominator will come as it is. Okay, now here 5 by 9 minus dash is equals 1 by 9. So as you know that denominator will same, so we will write denominator 9. As you can see here 3, 3 and 3, 7, 7 and 7. So here again 9, 9 and 9. So how many number we will subtract from 5 that to get the answer 1? So how we will do it? 5, we will take this number and this number. 5 minus 1, 5 minus 1, 4. So it means 5 minus 4 is equals 1. Students, in the same way here they did not give us the fraction, they just gave us one fraction and the answer. So as you know that the denominators are same, so 5, and here we will write the denominator 5, and here 4, how many numbers we add in 4 to get the answer? 7. So there is an easy method. First of all, we will take the bigger number 7, and then this is a smaller one, so we will write 4 minus 4. 7 minus 4 is equals 3. So 4 plus 3 is equals 7. Okay. Okay, now this one is also again like B part. 11 minus 6. Okay, we will subtract 11 minus 6. So 11 minus 6. Just count on your fingers. The answer is 5. So 11 minus 6 is 5. And when you will add it, 5 plus 6 is 11. And denominators will be same. Students, do this exercise 3B. Just question number 1. Okay. And previous exercise 3A, question number 6. And do practice it. Take care and Allah Hafiz.